Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into monday.com from Okta, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into monday.com using Okta, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Okta sign-in page. Enter your work email address associated with your Okta account. Click on the next button to proceed. You will now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and click on the sign-in button. Once logged into Okta, look for the monday.com application on your dashboard. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top. Click on the monday.com icon to launch the application. You may be redirected to the monday.com platform automatically. If prompted, grant any necessary permissions for Okta to access your monday.com account. Once redirected, you will be logged into your monday.com workspace. You can now start managing your projects and tasks as needed. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email or password entered in Okta. For multi-factor authentication, complete the verification step as requested. That's it. You are now successfully logged into monday.com through Okta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.